Hey loves, it's your girl Chef Joya, and we're getting ready to make one of the best holiday recipes you've ever had. We are making Guyanese Pepperpot soup vegan. This is absolutely delicious and a must on the dinner table. We're going to start off by making our green seasoning, which is super important when it comes to Caribbean cooking. And do not worry, I want to make sure I put all the details in the description box below. And we're going to work on our vegan meat substitute. And I use a vegan stewed mutton. Then I season it with my Just Magic, my Red House, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce because we need it to stick, some green seasoning and cassia and I let that marinate overnight. That is super key as well. And you have to have cassia to do this recipe. Next, we're going to go ahead and take some olive oil and our vegan meat, some cloves, some allspice, some cinnamon sticks, and we're going to season it again. And then using our bouillons, we have a vegan beef bouillon and goat bouillon. Add a little bit of water and more cassia. Next, we're going to add some brown sugar, and I added about 4 or 5 peppers. I mean, this is called pepper pot soup, so you can make this as spicy as you want to. We're going to add our thyme and an orange peel to help bring out that flavor, and I let this cook for about 3 hours. In the meantime, I went ahead and made this beautiful flatbread, which is absolutely delicious and a must. I would love to know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. And if you love Caribbean cuisine, you have to check out my vegan cookbook from my ancestors table, where you can find many more African and Caribbean recipes made by the best.